The 2025 News 12 Viewers' Choice Awards, highlighting area businesses across the Tennessee Valley and North Georgia. Nominations and voting are provided entirely by WDEF viewers.
From taxes to car repairs, medical insurance, life insurance, and more, we only want the absolute best to handle our most important needs. Luckily for us, that's exactly who we have right here. Check out the Tennessee Valley and North Georgia area's most trusted services, according to you, our viewers.
Services.
The finalists for Best Accounting Firm are Cleveland Business Services, E.J. Pelton and Associates, Hood CPA and Associates. The winner for Best Accounting Firm is Cleveland Business Services. The finalists for Best Auto Repair are Differentials Plus, Discount Tire, Premier Tire and Auto Service. The winner for Best Auto Repair is Discount Tire. The finalists for Best Bank are Citizens Tri-County Bank, First Horizon, Truist. The winner for Best Bank is tied between Citizens Tri-County Bank and Truist.
Thank you for voting Citizens Tri-County Bank as Best Bank in the 2025 News 12 Viewers' Choice Awards. Starting from a trailer in Dunlap, Tennessee in 1972, Citizens Tri-County Bank is locally owned and has happily served their customers for 53 years. Citizens is now operating in 9 Tennessee counties with 21 full-service offices and 4 satellite offices, as well as across the globe through online services. We hold traditional values and strive to handle today's growing technology. With a personal touch, we're ready to help you in person, online, and through the Citizens Tri-County Bank app. Customer service has always been our #1 priority, and we pride ourselves on staying up to date with the latest advancements and technologies. Come see why Citizens Tri-County Bank is the only community bank you'll ever need. Citizens Tri-County Bank, voted Best Bank in the 2025 News 12 Viewers' Choice Awards. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender.
The finalists for Best Car Wash are Howard's Premium Auto Detailing, Hurricane Express Wash, Scenic Suds Car Wash Express. The winner for Best Car Wash is Howard's Premium Auto Detailing. The finalists for Best Credit Union are ComTrust Federal Credit Union, River Valley Ag Credit, TVFCU. The winner for Best Credit Union is TVFCU. The finalists for Best Computer and Cell Phone Repair are ChatFix, iPatch Cell Phone and Tablet Repair, The Cell Phone Store. The winner for Best Computer and Cell Phone Repair is iPatch Cell Phone and Tablet Repair. The finalists for Best Divorce Attorney are Brian A. Caldwell, Logan Thompson, Ronnie Burke. The winner for Best Divorce Attorney is a tie between Brian A. Caldwell and Logan Thompson. The finalists for Best Personal Injury Lawyer are Pritchard Injury Firm, Warren and Griffin, Wettermark, Keith. The winner for Best Personal Injury Lawyer is Warren and Griffin. The finalists for Best Funeral Home are Companion Funeral and Cremation Service, Heritage Funeral Home, Lane's Funeral Home, Southcrest Chapel. The winner for Best Funeral Home is Companion Funeral and Cremation Service. The finalists for Best Investment Firm are Cooper & Cooper Investment Advisors of Raymond James, Cox Wealth Management, Guardian Investment Advisors. The winner for Best Investment Firm is Guardian Investment Advisors. The finalists for Best Medicare Specialists are Health Markets Insurance Chris Young, Medicare Misty, The Medicare Store. The winner for Best Medicare Specialist is Medicare Misty. The finalists for Best Pet Services are Riverview Animal Hospital, Rough Cuts Dog Grooming, Southern Paws Dog Grooming and Spa. The winner for Best Pet Services is Rough Cuts Dog Grooming. The finalists for Best Pet Boarding and Daycare are Pet Quest Spa and Hotel, Riverview Animal Hospital, VCA Old Mill Pet Inn. The winner for Best Pet Boarding and Daycare is VCA Old Mill Pet Inn. The finalists for Best Quick Loan Provider are Advance Financial, Check Into Cash, Kinsmith Finance, Tennessee Quick Cash. The winner for Best Quick Loan Provider is Check Into Cash. The finalists for Best Veterinarian Practice are East Ridge Animal Hospital, Mountain Stone Veterinary Hospital, New Hope Pet Vet. The winner for Best Veterinarian Practice is Mountain Stone Veterinary Hospital,